Alright, is it flashing? The red light in the back, is it flashing?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. I didn't feel like taking my helmet off.
Yeah, I understand. Oh, got a bunch of people now.
Left it, right, and left it, right, and left it, right.
Hey, keep going.
Huh? What, fool? Who? Go for it. The 2 mags are next to it. Who's this, Kate? Where the fuck's Barbara at?
That was gay. I thought I'd be sick before I was the last person. I didn't think I sucked that bad. Come on.
Well, Barbara hasn't seen you play. So, alright.
Yang has. Okay, I'm ready.
So am I, homie. Lance, can I do this?
Okay.
If I get shot though, I'm fucked. I'm straight falling back on that too.
I am. Let me see what my choices left.
Yes.
Give me a sniper.
Right, dude?
I can pick them off.
Well, they won't reach that far though.
Wow.
I'm going left behind you. Okay?
Yeah.
Me and Blake
Hold
are
on.
going left.
I was gonna say something. What the fuck was I gonna say?
Y'all ready?
No. Fuck, what was I gonna say?
I'll be camping out here for a second unless we can go out there.
How's he doing?
Who?
Not yet.
You can be orange. You're orange. We're white.
Alright, so what are we doing?
Wait, oh, I know what I was gonna say. Is there
So
a...
the flags, again, you know, one right in the middle, one over on this left bunker. That's all trees.
So we
And then if you look through the fly, you see that plywood over there? Of just above it.
Yeah.
So we're white. They're all in ropes. You just pull it one down, one side down. One tip is to grab the opposite side. Just jump up and grab it and jerk it down. That'll make our side go up a lot faster.
Alright, hold on. So, who's going left to that bunker?
I'll defend.
I'm going right.
Alright, wait, you're defending, so are you two going left?
Yeah, I'm going left.
Alright, so we'll cut right.
For a second. Safety off.
What?
Safety off.
No kidding.
Y'all ready? Hold on.
No.
So guys, what's the game plan?
They're going left, Dymal's defending, we're going right.
I'll be defending with...
You don't have to defend the base.
Huh?
Yeah, you can move up and defend.
Well, he's
from up there.
sniping.
Yeah, I'm sniping the...
How are we doing hits and
Wait,
respawn?
Do what?
How are we doing hits and respawn?
Just come back and respawn here.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, fuck. Oh! Yo, did y'all get that left flag?
Huh?
Did y'all get that flag to the left?
No.
Fuck. Who's this? Yo, draw out his fire.
Yeah, I killed 3 people already.
Huh?
I killed 3 people already.
Nice. Where's that from?
Do what?
Where did that shot
just-
come from? Yeah, I know.
Where's what?
Where did those shots come from?
Oh, their home base.
Okay.
Their
Here
home
they
team-
come, here they
home
come.
team's dead.
We need to get this flag up.
Can we do it from here?
I don't know.
You can do it and I defend. Well, I think I defend this. I think they're supposed to get this one up.
No, we have to raise ours up either way.
Okay. I'm going, okay.
Alright.
So Do we have to? We have to raise both though.
Just start shooting.
I'm gonna use somebody right now. All right, go.
All right, we're good.
I thought we were white.
We are white. So I raised up white.
Where's the other one?
There's one over there somewhere. Hold on.
I'm going right over there. Okay.
All right, we'll cover you.
You ready?
Tell us when. 3,
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
One left.
Huh?
One left.
Cover. Yo. Whoa, careful. Alright, Barber's over there. On 3, I'm gonna cut left. You cover fire. Where? Yeah, it's white's up. Yeah.
3 feet to the left.
We got all 3 flags in.
No, cut middle. Alright.
We gotta do is defend.
Yeah,
We need that flag then, don't we?
we already got that one. We're white. Alright, hold fire, hold fire. Blake, who hit you? From where?
2 snipers. Way back there.
Fuck! They got 2 goddamn snipers.
What?
They got 2 snipers?
Yeah, sniper rifle's back there if you want it.
Look, right there. There's a bunker over there. You see pieces of carcass.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, so all we gotta do is defend.
Alright. The whole ammo then.
We got all 3 flags.
Dimel, this bunker,
Somebody dropped smoke.
that was mine.
Alright, it's right here.
Alright. Hey, you see this bunker right in front of us?
Yeah.
Go there.
Oh man.
How long is this game going for?
Who the fuck's firing?
Blake, just stay down. Let them waste their ammo. Hey,
2 snipers.
let them waste their ammo. Don't waste yours.
Okay. Oh shit. Damn, Blake.
Blake, are they in the same place?
Yeah, Tristan is.
Where's Michael?
Dude, they're just at their home base.
Yeah, they're just camping out. Letting. There's 2 snipers over there. If you come on my side, you'll be able to see them. They're like standing out in the middle. They're not in the open. Oh, shit.
Where are they standing up at?
Huh?
Where are they standing up at?
There they go.
Where? Oh, I see one.
Yeah, across in the middle.
Yeah. Dude, just let them camp.
Who's the farthest one up?
Huh?
Who's the farthest one up?
Lance. He's just a few seconds ahead.
Good bobber.
Barbara, how much room you got over there? All right.
People over there.
You stay here.
All right.
I'm just gonna go over there so I can talk to him. All right.
All right.
Cover fire.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go.
I think there's a base right in front of us. If we can move there, we can play spawn trap.
Oh shit.
What?
Someone's looking dead at us.
This one?
Yeah.
This guy's his arm.
Who was hit?
Yang.
Dude, we're just killing them.
We are, I can't move up.
Nuh-uh.
And we got all the flags. When is this game supposed to end?
I don't know.
I told someone already, this base back here is too far away from the flags. It's not really a real domination because they can't get to the flags as fast as we can because we're right in front of them.
Yeah. Well, it's not really that. I feel
I
like...
almost hit.
Alright.
I could have sworn the guy that beat me just hit that little kid.
Yo, dude, my goggles are fogging up. Are we covered? Other than the BBs that just hit our base?
Yeah, no, other than that.
Alright.
Stinson's aim down here. That's that BB that just hit.
Yeah. No wonder it didn't hit.
Yeah, no wonder. Just pop your head up and see what it looks like out there.
What?
Pop your head up and make sure no one's over here.
Nope. Are both of those empty?
I don't think so. I want to switch side caps.
You see anyone?
Hey, Yanks, he's out though. And Stinson way over there in the back.
Alright, I'm moving back right. Whoa. Oh, sniper.
I was making sure.
I didn't know that you had the sniper. Where the fuck did you get it from?
I bought it over there.
Oh, you ran back and got it?
Yeah, well, I brought it with me.
Oh.
And I kept it over there and I left. And Blake went and got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where is Blake?
He's oh, he's right there. Yeah.
Where's Lance?
He's up front, way up front.
I see Cade. Alright, I see Lance. Yo.
Watch his left side.
Oh, shit. I know you see his bitch ass. Who'd you get?
Out there, Tristan. I'll shoot it up.
Yo, they're advancing. Yo, dude, big base to the right, full wood, yeah. No, there's someone in there. Jared, watch your right. No, you're not in cover right there. Thank you, Dimel. Barber, toss me a mag. Why not? You out? What?
Grab them.
Where the fuck are they?
In the back.
Here.
Very back, right here.
No, there isn't.
Right here.
Oh, one of those. Go. Dude, I needed one that I can take the ammo out and put in mine. A high cap.
Shit, take a speed loader.
The what?
Speed loader.
Alright, how many bullets are going to be in that?
About 100?
Okay. Yeah.
Hold on to that then.
What? Get ammo.
As long as I have that big base, and he's shooting. He's like really close to the tail.
Here, this is empty.
Just hold on to it.
Okay. Oh,
Guys, come on, boys.
fuck, dude, I don't have anywhere to put it right now.
Just lay it on the ground, man.
Oh, hit! Yo! Hit! Yeah, dude, I gotta fucking reload. You gotta reload too?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, I didn't need to load, but I didn't want to like rush and be out of ammo.
Dude, I'm like straight out of ammo.
There's that.
Huh?
Who's got my mag?
I do. This one?
That one and then...
Hold on,
What's
can
this
I
say?
just like... Hold on. What the fuck? Okay.
Ammo, you need ammo? That's closest.
Oh, that's game?
Yeah. Well, you use that your mag? We got nobody out there on our team. There's two went over there. You guys are right here. We've held it the whole time.
Yeah. So what do we call that as? We went